Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today's video is gonna be a short one. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung Polygel collection ko as suggested by Messi Gagliarte. So far, ito na yung nakokollect kong polygel ever since nag-start yung hilig ko sa nails. I think lahat ng to nabili ko sa Shopee, pati yung builder gel sa gilid. So ayan, bilangin na natin kung ilan na siya. Nung nag-start ako ng channel na to, my first few videos, ang ginagamit ko nung time na yun is dip powder. Yun yung naisip ko na madaling gawin, kaya yun muna yung binilan ko ng mga materials. Kasi mas affordable yung materials niya kesa sa polygel, which ang nagpamahal talaga is yung lamp. Kaya mga a month after my first video, dun pa lang ako nakabili ng first polygel kit ko, which is yung tatlong to na included sa kit. Di pa sila ubos, pero yung clear talaga yung madalas kong ginagamit, kaya konti na lang yung laman niya compared sa dalawa. Yung pangalawang bili ko ng polygel is this clear one. Bumili lang ako ng isa kasi marami na yung laman ng 15 ml para sa akin, and yan yung times na nabimix ako ng colored powder sa clear polygel para lumawak yung color choices ko. This one, 30 ml na siya for I think 90 pesos only. I'll put the links for these products below. So, super sulit na niya kasi nararamihan na ako sa 15 ml. So, doble pa nun, marami ka na magagawa with this polygel. Gusto ko rin yung consistency ng polygel na to, lalo na yung color blue. Very easy to work with and marirecommend ko siya sa mga beginners. And then bumili naman ako from another shop and another brand to test if maganda ba siya kasi ang mura niya and maganda rin yung color variations. Usually bumibili ako ng 3 pieces per order ko ng polygel from other shops. And this is also a good polygel. Ang ganda rin ng nagawa kong nails with this one. This is one of my favorites, ang glow-in-the-dark polygel. Napaka-exciting niya gamitin. Also, the price, very affordable. Actually, medyo nagdalawang isip pa ako kung bibilin ko to kasi ang mura niya, so ina-expect ko na baka di ganun katingkad yung glow niya. Pero nung ginamit ko siya, nakaka-surprise kasi ang ganda ng glow and madali pang gamitin. I would also recommend this and baka mag-try ulit akong gumawa ng nail set using this polygel again soon. And yung last na bili ko na polygel is this Nona Polygel Kit, which include 6 15 ml polygels and other essential tools in making polygel nails. Kakagawa ko lang ng video about this one so you can check it out in my recent videos. Medyo pricey itong kit na to, pero included na kasi doon yung dual forms, brush, slip solution, base coat, top coat, and this 6 15 ml polygels with different colors. So I think sulit na siya, lalo na very beginner friendly pa siya, kaya ire-recommend ko rin to. May ina-offer din yung shop kung saan ko to binili ng may kasamang lamp. I think mag-a-add ka lang ng 100 pesos kasi nung binili ko to, out of stock yung lamp. Gusto ko sana i-try if mag-cure ba yung polygel with that lamp, pero using my current lamp, nag-cure naman siya in 60 seconds, kaya okay siya sa akin. So, yun lahat ng polygel na meron ako ngayon. Isa-swatch natin lahat para makita nyo if ano yung kulay nila side by side. So here are the polygel colors when cured. Most of them are in the shade of pink and brown kasi yun yung madalas na ino-offer na color in polygels. So gusto ko rin itry bumili ng rainbow color polygel soon, kaya watch out for that. So that's all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this short one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.